Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today I will show you a tutorial about how to use the cost sheet in Product Master. The cost sheet is useful to estimate the cost of product, to determine the selling price. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu to open the menu page. We are now going to the Product Master, to show up the process of operation. Click the block, named Product. You will find that the Product, Material Master block and click it. Then, go to Product Listing. We are simple. Open the product, shirt. And then go the tab, Cost Sheet. In the Cost Sheet page, you can see there are some materials on the list. They are coming from Material Combo. You also can click the Renew Material List button to update the below list. And then, if the material has input the supplier quotation information, click the Auto Generate Cost to import the cost of default supplier price on each material. Or you can also direct input the price here. If there is a expenses to unit of item, a sundry expenses column is available to input. Next tab is Other Expenses. This tab is to setting the expenses of operation. For example, the management fee or carton cost. Save the data, and view the product cost. Next, go to Expected Price tab. The tab will based on the default supplier price, and show you the item cost will make. Here is show you. The item cost is 20.55. You can also input FOB price, to calculate the margin of the product. This cost sheet also provided output Excel format. You can download in the Material Cost tab. We go back to Material Cost tab. Click the Download Cost Sheet button to download the cost of item in black color, and S size. Here is the content in Excel, and list out all the material, usage, and costing information. At the last row, it will sum up all the material cost, to estimated the final cost of product. And you can find this final cost in Expected Price tab without download the Excel. If you want to output the cost for another color, and size, go back to Material Cost, and select the wished color and size, to download the corresponding cost Excel. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.